We, the Karbi Student Association Central Education, along with the Volunteer Head Branch, Difu Head Branch, Difu Regional, reached the border area of Karbi Anglong, which is adjacent to Hojai district. This area is called Thangar Bosti. In Karbi ward, it is called Tangar Arong. So this is the huge bordering area where lots of deforestation has done by some of the miscreant. You can see the location. My friend, the cameraman, will show the location. These are the location where all the deforestation has done by the miscreant, and these all are the area belong to the Karbi Anglong district. So yes, this all area belong to the Karbi Anglong district. So this, we the Karbi Student Association demand the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to take the serious action to stop all this illegal encroacher and to stop all this illegal deforestation that had been done under the land of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. And I appeal the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to look and for proper demarcation of the Karbi Anglong border, because a lot of illegal migrant has been migrated from Hojai district, Langka district, which they have illegally settled down in Karbi Anglong land, where all the deforestation has been done, and now they are not settled down, and around 300 to 400 houses has been built in Karbi Anglong district, which the settlers are coming far away from Hojai district and Nagaon district, which we can recognize them that they are the illegal migrant, because lots of land has been vacant in Karbi Anglong. For that, the people from some other part are illegally captured, and we have a Karbi village nearby where we stand, which has nearly 150 houses. So this is the demand from Karbi Student Association, that the settlement department and the forest department and the Autonomous Council should take a very effective measure to stop all this illegal encroacher and to stop all this deforestation and make the proper demarcation of Karbi Anglong. Otherwise, the 10,434 square kilometer of Karbi Anglong land will be decreased day by day if the Autonomous Council will not take the serious action against to protect the land.